She is full of paint, that's funny.
She's so cute. You guys are twinsies. You're matching.
Hey guys, Jill Scotson here. We are painting today. Some of us more than others.
Yes.
Can you say hi?
Who is this?
Say ah! This is Harley. This is our latest puppy. Yes, you're in that annoying biting stage.
She loves you. She...
Have a kiss? Or are you gonna bite me?
Aww. How old is she?
She is 9 weeks.
Aww. So what are you guys painting? What are you guys doing in
We
here?
are turning, this had 7 horse stalls in it, and we're turning it into the dog barn.
It's the dog
So
barn
we
now.
painted, put kennels in.
Wow.
I still have some more painting to do and more cleaning. And
Hi,
more
Nova.
fans and-
Feels good though.
It's so cool in here.
It is. What a transformation. You guys have been working hard.
There's a hole in the dog food bag.
Oh my gosh. You found a hole in the dog food? Is this so nummy? Huh? Oh yeah, she did. She's like, this is mine.
Go hiding.
Hi. Is that Jerry?
Yeah,
Hi, Jerry.
he likes to come in here.
Are you hiding back there? Is this like your sanctuary? So this is gonna
It's gonna
be...
be the courtyard for the dogs. We're
Aww.
gonna do shade and pools and some indoor outdoor carpeting.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna bring my dogs here for daycare.
I know,
Just
right?
kidding. This is gonna be awesome.
And it'll be so nice to have, like, finally use this weird concrete space.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to see the finished project.